can also use the talking pen in conjunction with student-created or class-created writing. For example, let's say this little child, Susanna, has written this little book on the computer. You've published it and she's made it into a little book. I see the barn, I see the cow, I see the hen, and so forth. Right? Now what we might do, again, to support this child's fluency development would be to have the child use the pen, place a sticky label here, and have the child use the pen to record his or her story. Then this little story can go home and the parent can listen to it if you send the pen home, or the pen can certainly be back in your reading area of the classroom and other children can listen to this child read her book. Let's think of a different way. Let's say that this little book was written by a group or by your whole class on chart paper, and then you made it into a little book. Now maybe today I want this child to read this book, and a different day I want a different child to record this story for me. And so I just put a little acetate pocket in here, put the child's photograph or their name in here. I could even use a little Post-it note with their name. I have the recordable sticker, and they record that book for me. They place it in a special place so that I can then listen to that, which helps me with some of that daily assessing I need to do. We know teachers need to listen to children read every day, particularly in those later kindergarten and that first grade and early second grade year. You might also do the same type of thing with a big book. Here is a big book created by a kindergarten class, based on the book, of course, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. Once there was a small caterpillar. He was very hungry. One Sunday morning he started to look for some food. Now they are retelling the story using much of the exact language from the story, and here's a little recordable dot. And so I could have the children record the story line by line, because it's so important for the children in kindergarten and first grade to learn that one word we say goes with one word on the page. And so as they record, they're going to be pointing on Monday, he ate through one bowl of, and then they'll fill in whatever the print is here. And they can record on each line. This book with the recorded text can go back in your literacy center. Children can listen to this on their own, reread with this text while you're working with individuals or small groups of children on other tasks.